Infinity RG, taking action to develop the students.
The question was divided into four questions, and the first question was with clues, and maybe the with clues come from Dhaka Board 2016, and the with clues was common for me, and I write it properly. Then our second question was um, without close. Without close, there are many changes I see. In our book there are only five without close, but here I see that 11 or 15 with close, without close, and I write it properly, and I hope I will achieve full mark in without close and with close. And our third question was write the rules how we know that this sentence is a simple sentence, the features of simple sentences, and I write it. And there is another question that included example, write it included example, and I try my best to write this. And our fourth question is describe your examination, and that I am describing in front of camera. So I hope that I will achieve uh, full mark, inshallah.
This question is really standard and easy for me because I answer fully. The first question is fill in the blanks with suitable words. There is given 10 words and I have to fill these blanks with these 10 words. And the second question is fill in the blanks without any words, and I have also do it. And the third question is how to know simple sentence. There is 9 ways to know simple sentence and I write them separately. And the fourth question is uh, describing uh, describing exam quality, and I what is say to you, and that's all.
The style of question paper is very well. The first question was filling the blanks with clues. I mean, this time the clues will be given and we have to choose the correct word for the sentence. And this time I have written that wellly because it was common to me. And the second question was filling the gaps without clues. This time there is no clues will be given, and that time I was able to cover it because it was also common to me. The third question was about how we can know simple sentence. I mean the features of simple sentence with examples. And I have written nine sentences. I mean 9 ways to know simple sentences, and it was also common to me. And I have written it wellly. And the fourth question was telling about exam system in front of camera that now I'm giving.
Actually, my questions are arranged in four categories. First question is filling the blanks with clues, and this question mark is 5. And second question is filling the blanks without clues, and this question mark also 5. And third question is how to know simple sentence, write it with example, and this question mark also 5. And fourth question is audio visual test, what I say now, and this question mark is 10. and that's all.